Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something really special here with me. I've got the David Lespect Linerlock for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So I need to thank my buddy Daniel for sending this guy along, so I'm able to share this beauty here with you. This guy comes with a leather pouch and with a certificate of authenticity, which explains when it was done and the materials employed. So really cool. Of course, this guy also comes with a couple of my Carta Scales. So if you're not a fan of ironwood, there you go. You have a brand new set of scales. This is not a huge knife, guys. This has an overall length of 7 inches with a 3.2 inch long blade and roughly a 4-inch long handle. So truly fantastic. In the hand, this guy is just unbelievable. This is a front flipper, as you can see, and it has a very unique construction. These two scales are covering the pivot screws, so to make it look like as if this was a fixed blade. In fact, at first sight, you might think that this is a fixed, but look at this. It's a liner lock, couple scales. Look at this beautiful pocket clip. RWL 34 steel ironwood scales. You've got 3 screws going on over here, and just check out this backspacer, guys. This is like a concave backspacer, beautifully done, matching the scales. And look at that. I mean, the lines on this guy are just fantastic. Some nice jimping. You got a swedge, Warncliffe blade, beautiful belly, fantastic convex grind, flat grind, convex edge, sorry, flat grind, beautiful, kind of like a dark mirror stone wash finish. It's unique, beautiful sharpening choil. It's just gorgeous, guys. Let's just quickly check the weight of this bad boy right over here. It's not that heavy, and I'm thinking that with my Carta scale it would be even lighter. This is gonna be like 3.76 ounces. So I mean, come on, it's just a fantastic one. Really nicely done, sterile looking blade, classy, elegant. It is a beautiful knife for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.